2000s and 90s and today on Star 1013. And Shakira looked stunning in that bright red gown at Monday night's Met Gala. Well, after she was partying, she scored this big win in the tax evasion battle. And the Spanish prosecutors recommend that her second tax evasion investigation be thrown out. You should check out the details. It's a big win for her at 1013.com.
Expensive gas is here.
Oh, yeah.
I used to be the cheap gas.
Yeah, a lot of price gouging, but...
Yeah, because I think this is the main thoroughfare, and I think...
Yeah, it's...
Sitting here is going to pull over.
Yeah.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today.
Star 1013.
As you promised me that I was more than all the miles combined, you must have had yourself a change of heart like halfway through the drive, because your voice shut off exactly as you passed my exit sign. Kept on driving straight and left our future to the right. Now I'm stuck between my anger and the flame that I can't face. Memories of something, even smoking weed. It's not a place that I have to when it rains. Don't tell me to travel, but there's COVID on the planes. And I'm up there on the piss to see the sticks. And I saw your mom secret talk like this.
What are you going to do?
I don't know.
Go home or?
Well,
If you want to drop me off and pick me up at Stephanie's, I
oh,
don't
yeah.
even know if she's there.
And I see one dance shop.
Okay, then she's there. She'll be there till 6. When she...
Oh, yeah.
I can just walk there and you can meet me at 5. You can meet me there
Oh, yeah.
at 6.
Yeah,
Just like off here.
yeah.
I'm pulling that way and hang out in traffic while I do this. Oh, well, thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Been a day, huh?
Yeah.
We had each other, though. That's good. I have the money to cover it. It's going to be fixed hopefully soon. They're going to get started on it right away.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah.
Maybe this weekend, Monday.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh huh. Oh my. Yeah, whatever. Go on, bitch. Don't let me fucking listen to what I like. Huh? Fucking asshole. Oh yeah, because you're liberal. You know what? Don't even with me. 'Cause I want to listen to what I want to listen. Jeez, fucking asshole.
Over risking what I think could likely happen maybe sooner than later, which is a major correction in the stock market, and I mean a major one.
Yeah, I think you're right, Sean. And one thing you want to look at is the PE ratios, price-to-earning ratios, which are still well above historical norms. And so we are due for what I believe to be a major correction. And we've been propped up here and there every time that Jerome Powell does you see wild variation and volatility in the stock market. And this is what happens whenever you have government is basically controlling the economy. Government spending, through taxes, through regulations, and through money printing. This is a socialist economy that creates a situation of less economic growth and higher inflation, and then people having so much uncertainty about the economy, whether they're businesses, whether they're going to continue to advance and be able to hire workers, or from your point about the amount of returns they're going to get on their investments. And one thing I would say also about the economy and the labor market is while non-farm employment has continued to increase, over the last year, the household employment is essentially flat. It's been down for the last 5 months. So we're already starting to see the slowdown in economic activity hitting Americans hard across the economy.
And it's hurting a lot of people that I know. All right, quick break, right back. More with Van Skin on the other side, as well as EJ and Tony. We'll get to your calls coming up as well. 800-941-SEAN if you want to join us.
Loud and proud. Coast to coast.
Liberalism failed the working men and women in this country.
Sean Hannity is on right now.
Okay, are you feeling the impact of recent changes in the timeshare industry? Well, now more than ever, the costs of timeshare ownership far outweigh any benefits. My friends at Lone Star Transfer, well, they are the only company that I trust to get you out. Our listeners' positive feedback demonstrates why I have been supporting Lone Star Transfer now for many years. Now, for over a decade, they have successfully helped over 20,000 timeshare owners. Lone Star Transfer, well, their exclusive options help timeshare owners like you get out faster and easier than any other option in the country. They're the only company that will give you a written guarantee and release you from your timeshare in a specific time frame. Now, for a free consultation and a guaranteed solution, call our friends at Lone Star Transfer. It's 833-594-0075. Again, 833-594-0075. On the web, it's LoneStarTransfer.com.
Hi, I'm Margaret, a rhetoric and media major at Hillsdale College. Here's Hillsdale President Dr. Larry Arnn with a Constitution Minute.
Many argue today that the Constitution is outdated because it addresses problems peculiar to the 18th century so long ago. And some of it does read sort of quaintly. But consider the injunction against titles of nobility in Article 1, Section 9, for example. Is that so outdated? The purpose of that injunction is to prevent the government granting special privileges for partisan reasons. This strikes at the rule of law, the rule under which we're all to be treated the same. The crony capitalism so common today, where the government gives favors and tax dollars to some businesses and advantages over others, is exactly the kind of thing the Constitution was meant to prohibit. The Constitution is not outdated at all.
To learn more and get a free pocket Constitution, visit constitutionminutes.com.
We ended up mildly sick for a few months, and the nasal congestion was probably the worst part. I had like a post-nasal drip, just super congested all the time. We were taking everything we possibly could, but nothing really worked.
Kyrie was miserable until a friend recommended Navage. Navage offers immediate drug-free congestion relief, flushing your nasal passages with refreshing saline and sucking out mucus, germs, and other airborne irritants. Don't live in misery this cold season. Use Navage so you can breathe easier, sleep better, and feel your best right away.
The biggest thing Navage has done is completely cleaned out my nasal passages. It was from the first use. I was able to just clear out anything that was stopping me from breathing correctly. Navage helps me clear the way, literally clear the way, for me to operate better in the rest of my life.
Experience the Navage difference yourself. Navage is available at Navage.com or at Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, and Rite Aid. Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E.
This is Chris Dolan. And I'm Vanessa Denniston, senior attorney from the Dolan Law Firm. Chris, what's with all these out-of-town personal injury firms coming into the Bay Area with these catchy titles and funny names?
Unlike the Dolan Law Firm, most of these firms are from out of state or in LA.
The Dolan Law Firm is headquartered right here in San Francisco, going on 30 years.
We live here, we work here, we win here. Dolan Law Firm, the defense lawyers we hope you'll never need. DolanLawFirm.com.
1877 cards for kids. K-A-R-S cards for kids. 1877 cards for kids. Donate your card today. 1877 cards for kids. K-A-R-S cards for kids. 1877 cards for kids. Donate your card today.
Donate your card today at cardsforkids.org. Your car, running or not, can be picked up as soon as the next day. No title? No problem. Call 877-CARS-FOR-KIDS or go online at carsforkids.org to donate today.
1877 cards for kids. K-A-R-S cards for kids. 1877 cards for kids. Donate your card today.
Now accepting donations of land, homes, buildings, or any kind of real estate.
Are you curious about who offers the best deals on top-rated Samsung, LG, and Sony TVs? The answer is surprising. It's not online, and it's not the warehouse clubs. The best deals on top-rated TVs are at Video Only. Don't believe it? Then check out the trade-in deals at Video Only. How about $500 for your old TV? Try doing that online. Before you buy that new TV, drop into Video Only. If you don't, you'll be sorry.
On Talk Radio 560, KSFO. Economic gurus, and Ian is with us as well as EJ and Tony. Here's the most frightening thing. Let me play for you this guy, Jared Bernstein, who's the chairman of the Council of Economic Advisors. By the way, he doesn't have any background educationally in the economy. Put that out there. He's the White House Council of Economic Advisors chair. And anyway, he was interviewed for a new film called Finding the Money, and it's a documentary. And he said the U.S. government can't go bankrupt and because we print money. His ignorance level is so high. I'm shocked. EJ, listen to this.
Like you said, they print the dollar. So why does the government even borrow?
Well, again, some of this stuff gets, some of the language that some of the language and concepts are just confusing. I mean, the government definitely prints money, and it definitely lends that money, which is why the government definitely prints money, and then it lends that money by selling bonds. Is that what they do? They they sell bonds. Yeah, they sell bonds, right? So if they sell bonds and people buy the bonds and lend them the money. Yeah. So I don't get it. I don't know what they're talking about. Like, 'cause it's like the government clearly prints money. It does it all the time, and it clearly borrows. Otherwise, we wouldn't be having this debt and deficit conversation. So I don't think there's anything confusing there.
How chilling is that, EJ?
Sean, that explains very, very well why we are in the economic shape we are today, because those are the kinds of people at the helm in the White House. Somebody, as you said, who has no economics background. He's a musician turned social worker, and somehow that landed him as chair of the Council of...
Yeah, that's so clear. You know, you have to know. Can't just